Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Quick look here at Dogecoin, seeing what's going on. It is pulling back pretty aggressively since we looked at this yesterday. And do you want to know why? Well, you can say thank you to Bitcoin. Thanks Bitcoin for dropping somewhere in the range of about 5% in one trading day. Pretty substantial drop that definitely causes a lot of panic across altcoins. Dogecoin did hold very well, but the last 4 to 6 hours, it's been pulling back a lot. So we're going to kind of talk about some bigger picture stuff here to ensure we understand, generally speaking, what's going to happen next. So if you're new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor. I do love teaching people how to trade. Future reference too, we got a really awesome community over here on Discord. Jump on down over there. If you want to kind of take advantage of our premium signals, I've got some awesome signals here. We took Bitcoin, ETH, Matic, and ICP. We took some shorts roughly 4 to 5 days ago. We hit our third target already here, roughly 45 to 50% per target. So awesome stuff there. Congrats there. My Premium Plus group, not too shabby as well. Nice AVAX and ETH shorts here too. So when it comes to Doge, we're considering adding this to our day trading bot, but we really want to understand here, is it worthwhile taking a long or short right now? Okay, so when we talk about Dogecoin, let's look at the backend data first and kind of recognize there's tons of liquidation at the 9.5 range. Again, this is the monthly time frame, okay, and that level was soon to be swept here recently, but Bitcoin had another alternative motive there. But generally speaking, the concentration of liquidation is roughly about, I'm going to round down and say 7.5 cents. And round up and say roughly 10 cents, because these are pretty close. Well, sorry, 9.5 and 7.5. That's probably a better way to understand it. We're pretty close to the middle of that range, so the truth is there's not a ton of liquidation really close to the price action. There's obviously some that came into play within the last week or so, but the macro is not looking terrible, okay? And that's good. Most coins are not really able to say that right now. So if we take a look here, at this point, let's go ahead and double check a couple of things here as well. Okay, looks like we are seeing a pretty aggressive candlewick here. I'm so sorry to take a look at this here. We just got another profit target, 51% from Bitcoin that just came through here. And it looks like Bitcoin is really pushing hard. So be careful, folks. Not great conditions for long positions right now. Okay, so let's talk about Dogecoin and kind of go from there. It does kind of explain why we saw the price just yank down there. So let's look at the moving averages. We're kind of hanging out right there at the 20 and the 100. That could be a point of support here. We got a lot of volume in this range here at about 8 cents even as a close approximate. So let's go ahead and turn this on. We can kind of see, again, the largest volume profile right there at the price action. So Bitcoin can hold its current price. We could see other price bounce off that level. Furthermore, we take a look here at the traditional indicators here. We can see RSI traditionals down, stochastic RSI swinging down, and money flow index is pulling back. MACD is pulling back as well, but these are all still decent signs, just not phenomenal signs. Okay, most coins are saying like extreme red. Right now, Dogecoin is kind of saying it might be able to hold this level. So 8 cents, very curious if that level, that 0.618 fib level is going to hold. We're going to see here in a little bit, of course, but generally speaking, we're retesting that level here because once again, Bitcoin is retesting the mid 39,000 range or 39.5K range. So 4-hour time frame, let's look at this here. We can see MACD is diverging, pretty normal. Stochastic still pulling back, same thing with traditional RSI, and of course, we've got money flow index pulling back as well. So there's a lot more room for downside here, folks. Okay. While these aren't truly bearish signs, there's mostly bearish signs, and I can tell you that it's not looking fantastic. We do have, again, some support potential here at 8 cents even, but that's not always a good reason to take a trade. Okay. Best course of action here is to wait on the sidelines and let things calm down. The market is nuts right now. It's not worth jumping in trying to catch a falling knife. Okay. So again, just some friendly advice, probably better off steering clear. We got a lower liquidity level here, once again, about 7.5 cents. We've already identified that, but I think that could be the next target here. Seems much more likely the price is going to continue lower than it will higher at this point, considering what Bitcoin's doing. To further that here, let's go ahead and look at the hourly and see if there's any confirmational signs. We have broken below the cloud. We've been below the cloud for about 4 or 5 hours now, and this is truly a bearish sign here as well, kind of letting us know in the hourly we have a lot of bearish divergences. Okay. So generally speaking, not a lot of confirmation. Price could very well hold this level, but I don't think it will. If we see the price rally back up, I think there's a strong chance we'll see a rejection off 8.3 to 8.5. Okay, right there where the volume profile is at, as high as this 0.618 fib level. So generally speaking, not great conditions, folks. I don't know how else to describe it. Steer clear of trading right now. It's not good conditions at all. You're much more likely to find profit on the way down than you are the way up, though. That's just kind of the bottom line right now. But once more, do you short the bottom, right? That's the whole question I'm getting all day today. And the truth is you shouldn't, but the bottom keeps dropping. So where's the bottom? We're We're going to hopefully find out here soon. Again, patience, folks. It's the important thing. I also recommend highly that if you are needing a new exchange, no KYC or VPN exchange, Bitunix has got you covered. Phenomenal exchange. They get some significant rewards if you use my link to register, and some cool trading competitions going on right now as well. Check them out. Be sure to utilize them. And obviously, if you want to jump on into some of these nice profits here, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below. I've got a trading university, academy, and of course, some awesome signals there to hopefully help you find some good entries in the market. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.